Hi friends, welcome back to another video, another day. I'm so glad to be here. These are going to be the last few videos of the hotel room. We will be back home very soon. The kitchen won't be done, but we'll be home. And I am so excited. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Jeannie. I'm so glad you're here. I hope you'll stick around and become part of the Beauty YouTube family. Just hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let's go. You guys, I am so excited. I got my other Ipsy mystery bag. They came out with like 4 or 5 new mystery bags recently. I am not one to always purchase them every time they get them. I tend to go for like the $30 ones where they're full-size products. I get enough of the minis in my own Ipsy subscription bag that I get every month, but I don't know. I was feeling the bags. That is so pretty. Now I will say with the larger rainbow glitter bag that I got, the glitter was like non-transferable. This one, you're gonna get some glitter everywhere. It's not awful, but I've seen a couple pieces come off and I'm not crazy about that, but it is just stunning. I wish I had an eyeshadow like that. So I did pick this one up. This was $14 and you're supposed to get 6 deluxe size sample type products. And then I also picked up some other products from the Ipsy sale as well. We'll go through those. Before we do, I want to give a huge shout out to my friend Michelle here on the channel. She's a subscriber and somebody that has become a friend. So I had mentioned on a very recent video how much I loved the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation that we got in BoxyCharm. And I mentioned the shade that I had and she reached out to me. She's like, I got the same shade. For whatever reason, it doesn't work for me. I used it once. Would you want it? And I'm like, yeah, I love it. That is so cool. So she sent it over to me. Thank you so much, Michelle. And then not only that, she sent a little box of goodies and I thought I would just share them with you really quick. She also remembered that I love this Korres. Well, first of all, Korres is one of my favorite skincare brands. I use products from them almost on a daily basis. And this was a more recent product that I had found that I really liked. It is their Santorini Velvet Skin Drink, kind of like a dry oil type of product that I love. Very pricey. Again, she wasn't crazy about it and she sent it my way. Thank you so much. And then she sent in just some other random goodies. I think these are like e.l.f. 3 little e.l.f. lipsticks. The shades are so pretty. And then you guys, I am a concealer junkie. If there's anything I love trying, it's complexion products. I love trying all makeup, but I love, love, love trying new concealers. And this is actually one that I had wanted to try that I hadn't. It's the Wet n Wild Incognito. I've actually heard really good things about it. And this is a shade that will definitely work for brightening my under eye area. Thank you so much. I can't wait to try it. And again, thank you so much for all the goodies. It made my day. All right, so moving right along, I want to say the name of this mystery bag was Bring It On, the Bring It On mystery bag. I could be wrong. Now we're supposed to get 6 full-size products. Let's check it out. You guys, this is one of my all-time favorite products. This is the Rose and Quartz Hair Mask. This stuff smells like a fresh wild rose. You know, there's like the smell of like fake rose, if that makes sense, like the man-made smell of rose. This is not it. This literally smells like you are bending down and smelling a fresh bouquet of wild roses. I love the smell, and what it does for my bleached hair is amazing. I get these whenever I can, and I had no idea it was going to be in this bag, so that was a pleasant surprise. I actually buy the big jars of them. I have bought, I think I'm on like my 3rd jar of it. And I really think these ones, I actually, on Mercari, I found an 8-pack of these little travel ones. And I just bought it like last week. I just got them in. I think these will be great for on the go, like traveling, camping, that kind of thing. My husband and I do like to go on vacations a couple times a year, like without the kids. We go to Florida. Last time it was Hawaii. And I think these would be great for that, for like travel. So I'm excited. That was a win. This made the whole damn bag worth it for me. But let's see what else we got. Oh, I remember. Okay, so out of all of the mystery bags, like I said, I'll typically go for their $30 mystery bags. But when it comes to the $14 ones, I'm just kind of like, I'm not that drawn to them. I don't feel that excited about, you know, wanting to hurry up and get it. But I picked up this one because it said it could have Tula skincare, and I love Tula. Guys, I had to laugh. I had to laugh. What did we get from Tula? We got one little face wipe. one face wipe. That's funny to me. That's funny. But hey, we got a Tula product, and this is not something that I have tried from the brand. I guess it is it's the instant facial wipe. So we'll try it out. Maybe I'll try it tonight for funsies. Now, here was something. This is from Grace and Stella. This is There's a Foam Party on My Face and You're Invited facial cleanser. This is a foaming face wash. I am pretty particular with my facial cleansers, being that I am a dry skin typed girl. There's certain cleansers that'll just kind of leave me stripped, and I don't know. I haven't tried this one. I know it is a popular one, but since I might use it once and hate it, and I do have several cleansers that I know I like, I might just actually hold on to this for a giveaway here on the channel. It's sealed and everything like that. So yeah, I think I'll probably end up doing that. That'll go in a giveaway. Next, from the brand Context Skin, we did get a lip gloss. This is in the shade Running Free. That is the shade on it. So very, very pretty, kind of like dusty rose neutral color, which I do really like. And I've gotten some lip products from this brand in the past that I did actually like. So I think this is going in a really good direction for $14 here. Next, from the brand Beauty For Real, another brand that I do really enjoy. This is one of their gel liners in the shade Peacock. So it looks to be a really pretty blue shade, kind of like a navy. Oh no, that is not navy. So that is like a bright blue. I don't go for blue eye looks all of the time, but every once in a while I get in the mood for like a blue look. And I think that this would be really, really pretty in the waterline. Kind of like a bright pop of color. And actually, this would probably be pretty in the waterline, even with a neutral eye look. And then if you wanted to get a little bit of a little crazy and throw a pop of color in the waterline, or even do a very, very small wing with it, the blue could go with the browns and stuff like that. So I'll definitely get some use out of this. I do really like the brand. So, okay. And then the last product is by Shayna B. Miami, and it's an eyeshadow duo. It's in Soka and Bakata. Those are the shade names, if you can see them. I don't know how to pronounce those, but we'll just take a look-see. Okay, so those look really pretty. Got a matte brown and then a pretty shimmer. They feel really nice. Wow, that's actually really pretty. Let's check out the matte shade. Okay, well, they swatch really nice. All right, that was not a bad $14 mystery bag. And like I said, the rose quartz product drove it home for me. Now, I did pick up some more products. I thought I would just share them with you. So for $5, they had this little duo, and it comes with the Twisted Sister In It Instant Hydrating Conditioner. So it's like a leave-in conditioner, but I bought the two of them because it came with this. I got one of these little minis in an Ipsy, I want to say about 6 months ago, and I pick another one up every time I'm out. These are just the deluxe size samples, so this is only 1 fluid ounce, but I have pretty fine and also short hair. So I only need like the size of like a nickel, and I can make one of these last like a couple months because I don't wash and blow out my hair every day. Maybe like once, twice a week max do I blow my hair out, and I only use this when I blow my hair out. But I do love, I actually used it today, but now I've thrown my hair up. I just love how smooth, and also I love the smell of this. What I need to do is I just need to just go buy a full size, but I keep seeing them every time that I'm close to out of the one that I'm using. So it's like $5, you know, why not? But I love this stuff. So, and it came with this, which I think I have like 3 of these in my drawer at home from other Ipsy things. I haven't tried it yet. I need to try it. Then, lo and behold, I saw this little duo, and I'm sure you can guess why I bought this duo. It was another $5 little duo, and I got it because of the rose quartz. I had no idea that I would be getting one in the bag, and it's so funny because, like I said, I had just bought 8 of them off of Mercari, so now I've got 10 of them. That'll last me for a while for traveling. But it also did come with this Context Skin, the same brand as the lip product. This is their Quarantine Recovery Treatment. I've actually gotten one of these. I don't know if it was like out of an Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I know that I've had a full size one, and I did use it, and I really liked it. It wasn't something that I felt the need to hurry up and repurchase when mine was gone, but I thought it was really nice. So I thought that was like a good little duo. It's something that I'll definitely use both of them. And then I was really, really excited for this. So I want to say this might have been like $20 or something like that, but it came with a bunch of little goodies. And the reason that I bought it was for this. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Prism Glow palette. First of all, the packaging is beautiful. I will say that I did swatch this. I could not help it. But it comes with 3 highlight shades and what she calls a skin gloss. This skin gloss looks so beautiful. I cannot wait to really get in to this palette. It gives such a pretty highlight to the skin. I did kind of play with it a little bit earlier, and without texture, without accentuating any texture. And I just love the formula. I love everything that I've tried from Dominique Cosmetics. You also do get a nice big mirror in there. But you guys, when I bought this, you want to know what I thought it was going to be about a quarter of this size. I thought it was going to be like a little guy like this that had 4 of her neutral eyeshadows in it. And I thought, oh, that'll be perfect for on the go for camping because I love the formula. But all of the eyeshadow palettes that I have from her are like huge. So they're not necessarily something that I would want to bring traveling with me, if that makes sense. And I thought that's what I was getting, but I was super pleasantly surprised about what I actually got. So I'm actually really, really happy to have this. I can't wait to play around more with it. Like I said, Dominique Cosmetics is just one of those brands that I have yet to try anything that I'm not crazy about. I love, love, love her stuff. But then it also came with some other goodies, and one of them is from Maskology, and it feels like it's, yeah, so I think it's like a powder formula in there. It says it's a charcoal modeling peel off mask. It says it's for purifying, pore control, calming, and hydrating. Okay, well, normally I don't find clay masks to be hydrating normally, but that is the claim on here, so I'll definitely give it a go. And then I was actually really excited about the other products. This was a good little baggie. We got a lip gloss, like a little liquid lip gloss from Ipsy. So I'm excited for that. And then we got an eye luster liquid shadow from Ciate London. I have one of these in a different shade that I absolutely adore. It is so beautiful. I don't have it here at the room with me. It's at the house. But this one is more of like a golden shade. So the one that I have at home is kind of like an iridescent, icy white, blue, pink kind of color. And this is like the more neutral one, I guess, with the gold. But it is just like a metallic liquid eye. Oh, and I just love the formula. It looks so good on the lids. There is a little bit of actual glitter in there, which I'm not crazy about. There is not in the other one that I have. It's just like a metallic formula, but that does look really, really pretty. It's definitely like a bronzy golden moment, and I'm happy to add it into my collection. So yeah, that is the mystery bag and my little Ipsy haul and my goodies sent over from Michelle. Thank you so much again, and thank you so much for being here with me tonight. I will see you very soon on my next video. Bye.